Okay, so this is GM's worst design ever. Mainly just on the two-wheel drives here. I gotta replace these motor mount shells. Clamshells, whatever you wanna call them. These new ones, because these ones are shot, right? But if we get up under here, the only way to get to the nuts on the backside, because they didn't weld these things, and I seem to have misplaced my light. They didn't put in, well, they didn't put any kind of inserts or anything or whatever, or weld the nuts on the backside, so I can't really get in there. There's the nuts, all three of them, and this is the only hole to get to them. And I ain't fitting anything between this. So really the only way to get these motor mounts off is to disconnect the whole lower control arm on both sides. Now this side, I can get to those bottom ones, but I ain't gonna be able to get to the top one. So my plan here is to, hand me that drill. Is there's holes right here on both sides, right? So we're just gonna take this motherfucker and drill it out. That way you can get to the nut on the back side from here. We'll put a hole right here, and then drill this hole out bigger. That way we can get to the nut from this side. Okay, so once you get, you know, the two holes drilled, you wanna drill one, you wanna drill the hole out that's already there on either side. And then you wanna drill one directly in the center on the bottom. Once you do that, you have plenty of room to get a wrench in there and hook it on to your the nut on the bottom. So I'm trying to find a place to put it, y'all. There we go. Just like that. Pretty damn easy. Alright, then you can put the new one on. Now, see how it lines up perfectly on either side? You need to screw your bolt down into it, thread it in. And the same thing on the other side. Get it in. Oh, you get it in, you can thread it in like that. And just pull it out. Should be pretty easy. Put the top one in first. That one's in. Get the bottom one threaded in here. Get the bolt that fell. That bolt in. See if I can find the nut. Apparently I've misplaced the nut. Oh, there it is. Right in front of my face. Alright. Stick it in the hole, get it lined up, put your bolts in, thread it in. And then you can take your impact, super simple. All you gotta do is drill 4 holes. And you can replace these motor mounts pretty easily from the top.